The current real estate market in and around Salt Lake City continues to be very unique. Now, if you are not following this last week's big changes, that is drops in mortgage rates, I would highly recommend that you do. Now, this is not a video about fluctuations in the markets for the 10-year Treasury or for 30-year fixed rate mortgages, but this does make a big difference in the affordability for the house that you're looking for, and of course for your competitors, that it is the rest of the demand pool out there. Makes a big difference. So highly recommend you check that out. And of course, if mortgage rates continue to drop very much more, it is going to accelerate the market significantly. I know that's counter to a lot of what you're hearing out there, but trust me, it is the case for what we're going to see. Now, sticking to what we typically like to look at, that is supply indicators, demand indicators, what is working, what is not working here locally. The last month has been relatively constant, following since March, basically seeing increasing inventory week over week, almost every single week, to the point where it's 54% above that low, that trough for the year back in March. About flat for the last month, and demand indicators down slightly. Demand indicators are how many homes are in escrow and how many sold in the last 30 days to measure absorption rates. Those are down ever so slightly, but basically close enough to be considered flat. So really interesting to see a flat last month. Was expecting to see inventory come up just a little bit more, and demand indicators, I'm not too surprised by where those are sitting. So interesting stuff there. There is plenty of inventory out there, over 2,500 residential units, just using Salt Lake County as the example. So if you're thinking, gosh, there's nothing out there to choose from, I recommend that you take a walk around your neighborhood. You probably will notice quite a few yard signs out there. The big, however, is that demand is high enough that those are getting scooped up rather quickly. And also a continuation of the uniqueness of this current market, where some homes, gangbusters, multiple offers as soon as they hit the marketplace, and others, they sit on market. You're probably noticing and watching multiple price reductions. Others that expire, ultimately do not sell. So we see that wide variance in results. Of course, that varies widely across price bracket, neighborhoods, even street by street, even property by property. So a lot of uniqueness and a lot of finesse required out there. But of course, if there is anything at all I can do to help you, would love to help you. Would love to hear from you. Even if that's just small little questions, or if you'd like to hop on a confidential strategy session, would love to do that for you as well. But yeah, anything at all I can do for you, you feel free to reach out. Thanks so much.